Hi, Attorney Michael T. Gibson here, and today I want to talk to you about a new program I'm launching within our firm. And I call it a new program, but it's really a program that I've had since our doors first opened in 2009. Being a personal injury lawyer for over a decade now, I have heard time and time again from new clients or prospective clients that one of their greatest fears in getting involved in a personal injury case or lawsuit is that they will go through potentially years of treatment or months of treatment and a legal case that can also take a long time, and they're going to do all this, and then they make a recovery, and they ultimately come to see that recovery or settlement, all of those funds going to their attorneys or their doctors. Now, having had these cases in my own family, that just always seemed fundamentally wrong to me. So as I started this place, one of the things I looked for was a way to make sure that my clients never had to have that concern. If, after all, you're the person that was hurt, you're the person that suffered, and you're the person that went through the event and the case. So one of the internal rules that I've always had here is that you, the client, are going to get more than us. And it's very simple. At the end of a case, after everything's paid, your attorney's fees, your costs, and your medical bills, if the net settlement to you, what you were ultimately recovering, was less than the fee that we were going to take, we would reduce our fee to make it less than your net recovery. And what I found this guarantee does over the last 9 years is, number one, it takes away any concern or fear that you're going to go through a case, make a recovery, and not get any of the money. Yes, there are stories of that happening out there. This makes sure that that never happens to our clients. Secondly, it guarantees that not only are you going to get money, but that you're going to get a fair share and you're going to get more than us. And again, that's something that I think is fundamentally fair because it was your injury, it was your pain, and it was your case. Now, a lot of people, when I've told them about this, have said, well, Mike, don't you lose money doing this? And yeah, every now and then on some cases we lose a few. We lose a few dollars here or there. But overall, I have found that what it yields me is it yields me many, many more cases in return from people who appreciate us having a rule like that. So lately it seems that I've heard this objection more and more from more people. I really don't pay attention to what other firms do or what their policies in this regard are. I work on what ours is. And what I know is that I would never want any of my clients or my future clients worrying that they could come here, have a case, make a recovery, and not get anything from that. That is not right, and that will not happen to you here. So I'm proud to introduce what we call the More For You guarantee. And it's exactly what it says. It's the codification of that rule. It is making sure that if you make a recovery here in your case, number one, you're going to get money, and you're going to get more than us. If for some reason, after all the expenses, your medical bills, attorney's fees, and costs, your net recovery, the money in your pocket, was going to be less than ours, we would reverse those numbers to make sure that you're getting more than us. And again, this is our guarantee in order for what we think is fair and right for you. So if you appreciate this, to me, it's part of being a part of our firm family. It's what I would want for my family, and that's why I'm glad to offer it to all of you. If you appreciate guarantees like this, the only thing I'll ever ask is if you know anyone, your friends or your family, that would benefit from a guarantee like this, we'd be happy to help them out. Hope this helps, and hope it helps many in their recovery. Thank you.